This specific project that we're doing just now started last year with the collaboration and funding support from the British Council and the Ministry of Education of Indonesia. And with this new project, we were able to do at a much larger scale the work that we've always dreamt of doing, looking at how the PV get adopted in the households and what people think about PV adoption, how they make decisions, but also trying to understand the positions of different stakeholders and the contradictions in the system and the barriers that prevent Indonesia from adopting PVs full scale. Because look at here, we have so much sun, we should be making use of that.
Solar PV is a technology that is widely adopted, and that's not the problem. But the problem is what's happening from the point of view of the global south. What are the barriers that we have, totally different when you think about the global north, right? So at this moment, we are running these workshops in different parts of Indonesia, like in Jakarta, Surabaya, and also here in Bali. And then we have invited householders who are very generous with us. They have spent all these sessions. So we are trying to understand how are the decision making, what is the decision they are making, and how if they can prioritize the solar PV, but also the barriers that they have, right? The future collaboration, of course, is related to this renewable energy, and particularly with the adoption and with a different view from the global south. I think that's the distinctive way that we want to look at the project.
Well, I hope we will continue to collaborate, and I hope that our work will do real impact. You asked me earlier today about the barriers, and one other barrier which I think is important and relevant to anyone who is trying to create impact with their research is that impact takes time. Creating impact takes time. PV is not the most innovative technology anymore. It's been around for a long time, but for it to create impact, you really need to have the surrounding environment, ecosystem, and processes in place. And creating those takes time. And this is quite often the struggle of researchers who are trying to create impact. They're quite often working with topics that might not be the most innovative, the most cutting edge. And obviously this might then create barriers for them to convince others that the research they're doing is worth doing. And I hope that we'll make enough noise to make our case heard, and ultimately our work will make a small contribution, hopefully not so small, to the adoption of renewable energy in Indonesia and making it a cleaner environment.